Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a QR code for a Google Drive folder. This is perfect for sharing files quickly and easily. Anyone with the QR code can access your folder instantly. Let's get started. On your Google Drive dashboard, you can see there are files here. We select the file we want to create a QR code for. Let's use this Google Meet logo as an example. It's an image file. We right-click on it and go to Share. We click Share. Now we need to make sure anyone with the link can access it. Once we've changed that setting, we copy the link and click Done. Now we open a new tab and go to qrstuff.com. This is where we turn our link into a QR code. Let's wait for the page to load. Once it's ready, we click the URL option, then paste the link we copied. Our QR code is now ready. We click Generate. As you can see, we now have a QR code. We can download it as a PDF, PNG, or JPEG. Let's download it as a PNG. Once downloaded, we now have a QR code ready to share. We can send it to others so they can scan it with their phone and access the file right away. That's it. We have successfully created a QR code for a Google Drive folder. Now, sharing files is as simple as scanning a code.